Hey everyone, this is Jill from BoomerTech Adventures, and it's Tuesday. That means it's Tuesday Tip Day. Today's tip is going to be how to change the background of your screen on either your iPad or your iPhone. So, it's pretty simple. You start with settings. So I'm going to tap on the gray icon that has a gear on it. And I'm going to open up settings, and I'm looking for the word wallpaper. So on the left-hand column, I'm going to look until I see wallpaper. There it is. I'm going to tap it. And you see over on the right, my choices come up. It says choose a new wallpaper. I'm going to tap that. And I have several choices. On the right, I see that it says stills. These are images that are already on my device, and I can scroll through those and see if any appeal to me. Some of them are quite nice, but they're not floating my boat. So I'm going to go back to choose, and the other option is dynamic. So I'm going to tap that, and that's bubbles with different colors. Still not really terrific. So I'm going back to choose. And there I see that I have the choice of picking something right off my own camera roll. So I'm going to tap that. Well, those don't look too interesting. I'm going to scroll until I get to one I like. Oh, there's one of my kitty. Curious? I'm going to tap on that. I like that. Now look down here. It says set lock screen. That's the screen that comes up when you first turn your device on. Next to it, it says set home screen. That's the screen where all the icons on. And there it says set both. Well, I'm going to do that. I'm going to set them both. I get a little message that it's setting the wallpaper. It appears to be done. Let's go back to my home screen. And voila, it's no longer just a black screen. It's a picture of my kitty. Curious. Now, if I turn off my device and turn it back on, there's the lock screen, and there's Curious once again. So to change your wallpaper, your background, remember you go to settings, and you make sure you're on wallpaper, and you can either choose from dynamic, stills, or camera roll. That's it for Tuesday Tip of the Week from BoomerTech Adventures.